Hello everyone, in this simple video I'm going to show you how you can accept your spreadsheet as a PDF format. Alright, so super simple. Open your spreadsheet that you want to save as a PDF, and then you can click File, select Download, and select PDF. So you can click Export. Alright, so you can select the export option for the current sheet, which is the current sheet will be export, and workbook or the sheet will be export, and selected cell, just selected cell will be export. So for example, I'm going to select the current sheet and just click export, download the PDF, and you can find and download. Open your folder sheet. Here's alright, that's how you can save spreadsheet as a PDF. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.